Hello, beautiful people, and welcome back to the Daily House. I'm absolutely thrilled you're here today because we're diving into something so special, creating that perfect Joanna Gaines-inspired full atmosphere using Magnolia's gorgeous Rustic, warm tone collection. If you're dreaming of transforming your home into a cozy farmhouse haven this season, you're in exactly the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you're ready to fall in love with farmhouse style. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments too. Let's start where your guest's journey begins, your home's exterior. The key to nailing that Joanna Gaines aesthetic is embracing what designers call layered textures with natural materials. Think weathered wood shutters paired with crisp, white trim, complemented by terracotta planters filled with seasonal mums in deep burgundy and golden yellow. Add a vintage-inspired wreath made from eucalyptus and wheat stems on your front door. The magic happens when you combine these organic elements with classic farmhouse proportions, creating the effortless charm Magnolia is famous for. Your entryway is storytelling at its finest. And this fall, we're channeling Magnolia's signature warmth through carefully curated elements. Start with a reclaimed wood console table. This piece becomes your foundation for seasonal styling. Layer in a galvanized metal tray for keys, add a small potted sage plant, and incorporate a vintage-style lantern for ambient lighting. The beauty of farmhouse design lies in its functionality meeting aesthetics. So every piece serves both form and function while welcoming guests with that unmistakable Gaines hospitality. Creating an organized entryway doesn't mean sacrificing style. It's about finding pieces that do double duty beautifully. Install a row of vintage-inspired hooks made from wrought iron or aged brass, spacing them at different heights for visual interest. Above, add a floating shelf crafted from reclaimed barnwood to display small full accessories like mini pumpkins or a collection of amber glass bottles. This approach, which designers call functional styling, ensures your space stays clutter-free while maintaining that curated, lived-in look that makes farmhouse design so appealing. Here's where we get clever with storage. A custom-built shoe cabinet that doubles as a bench. Choose weathered wood with a distressed finish, and top it with a comfortable cushion in warm linen or burlap. The cabinet doors can feature that classic X pattern that's become synonymous with farmhouse style. Inside, add adjustable shelves and small baskets for organization. This piece becomes both practical storage and additional seating, embodying the multifunctional approach that makes farmhouse living so efficient and beautiful. Every great entryway needs a spot to sit, and for fall, we're thinking warm and inviting. A vintage wooden bench with a cozy throw blanket in rust or sage green creates an instant gathering spot. Add a few textured pillows in complementary autumn tones, think burnt orange, deep cream, and muted gold. This seating area becomes what interior designers call a transition zone, giving family and guests a comfortable place to prepare for coming and going while adding visual weight and warmth to your entryway design. The right mirror can completely transform an entryway. And for our Joanna-inspired full look, we're choosing pieces with character and story. A large round mirror with a weathered wood frame or an antique-style rectangular mirror with decorative metal details works beautifully. Position it to reflect natural light from nearby windows, creating what designers call borrowed light. Frame the mirror with small fall garland or eucalyptus sprigs for seasonal charm. The mirror serves both practical and aesthetic purposes, making your space feel larger while adding that essential farmhouse authenticity. Your doormat might seem like a small detail, but it's actually setting the tone for everything that follows. Choose natural materials like jute or core in warm, earthy tones that complement your full palette. Look for options with simple, elegant texts like welcome or gather, words that embody the farmhouse spirit of hospitality. Layer a smaller decorative mat over a larger utility mat for both style and function. This layering technique adds visual depth while ensuring your floors stay protected during the muddy fall season. Moving into your main living area, the focus shifts to creating spaces that invite lingering and conversation. Start with your existing furniture and layer in fall textures through throw blankets, pillows, and seasonal accessories. A chunky knit, throw in cream or oatmeal over your sofa. Pair with velvet pillows in deep forest green or burnt orange, instantly transforms the space. Add a vintage wooden bowl filled with real or fox pears and mini pumpkins to your coffee table. The key is building layers gradually, creating what designers call visual rhythm through repeated colors and textures. Your dining table becomes the heart of full entertaining, so let's style it with intention and warmth. Create a centerpiece using a long wooden tray filled with white pumpkins, pillar candles in varying heights, and sprigs of autumn greenery, like eucalyptus or olive branches. The beauty of this approach is its flexibility. You can easily move pieces for daily dining while maintaining that styled look. Add textured placemats in natural linen and cloth napkins in warm rust tones. This creates what designers call a collected, over time aesthetic that's perfectly farmhouse. The kitchen is where farmhouse style truly shines, blending beauty with everyday functionality. Style your counters with intention, grouping items in odd numbers for visual appeal. A trio of ceramic canisters in cream or sage green, a wooden cutting board displayed vertically, and a small potted herb plant create an effortlessly curated look. Near your coffee station, add a vintage style scale and a mason jar filled with coffee beans. These styling choices, known as vignettes in design, make your kitchen feel both lived in and purposefully beautiful. Creating harmony in your kitchen means considering how all elements work together visually. If you have white or cream cabinets, add warmth through your hardware choices. Think matte black or aged brass pulls and knobs. Style open shelving with a mix of functional items like white ceramic dishes, wooden cutting boards, and small potted plants for appliances. Consider adding small seasonal touches like a full-themed dish towel or a small pumpkin near your coffee maker. This approach creates what designers call cohesive styling throughout the space. Every farmhouse kitchen needs a dedicated coffee corner that feels special and intentional. Set up your small coffee machine on a wooden tray with coordinating mugs, a small milk pitcher, and perhaps a vintage-style sugar bowl. Add a small chalkboard sign with a warm full greeting or your favorite coffee quote. Include a small fall arrangement, maybe a tiny pumpkin and some autumn leaves in a mason jar. This creates what designers call a moment in your kitchen, a beautifully styled area that enhances your daily routine. Your family room should feel like the coziest spot in your home this fall. Start with your existing seating and add layers of comfort through textiles. Drape a large, chunky knit throw over your sofa and add pillows in varying textures. Maybe a few in linen, one in fox fur, and another in velvet. Create a reading corner with a comfortable chair, a soft throw, and a small side table for your coffee mug. Round your flat screen TV. Add some seasonal styling with a garland of full leaves or small pumpkins on the console table below. Even your workspace deserves some full love, and the key is adding seasonal touches without creating clutter. On your desk, include a small succulent in a ceramic pot, a vintage-style desk clock, and perhaps a small wooden tray to corral pens and small supplies. Add a small radio for background music. Choose one with vintage styling to maintain the farmhouse aesthetic. Keep a cozy throw on your office chair for those cooler fall days. The goal is creating a space that feels inspiring and seasonally appropriate while maintaining functionality for productivity. Creating a dedicated reading nook embodies the farmhouse value of slowing down and enjoying simple pleasures. Choose a comfortable chair, maybe a vintage leather armchair or a cozy upholstered piece in a warm neutral tone. Add a small side table for your coffee and books, and include good lighting with a table lamp or floor lamp with a linen shade. Layer in full comfort with a soft throw and a small pillow. Add a small basket nearby for storing books and magazines. This space becomes your personal retreat, perfectly styled for autumn relaxation. Your bedroom should feel like a cozy retreat as the weather gets cooler. And achieving this doesn't require major changes. Switch out your summer bedding for warmer textures. Think flannel sheets in soft gray or cream, and a duvet cover in warm white or oatmeal. Add a few throw pillows in fall colors like deep rust or sage green. Layer a chunky knit throw at the foot of your bed. On your nightstand, add a small fall arrangement. Maybe a single stem of eucalyptus in a small vase, or a tiny pumpkin paired with a vanilla-scented candle. Even your bathroom can embrace full farmhouse style with thoughtful, small touches that make a big impact. In your shower area, consider switching to natural, organic bath products with warm scents like vanilla or eucalyptus. At your sink, add a small potted plant that thrives in humidity, like a small fern or snake plant. Include a set of soft, cream-colored towels and perhaps a small basket for storing extra toiletries. Add a full scented candle, a safe surface for ambience. These small changes create a spa-like feeling that embraces the season. Your garage might be a utility space, but it can still reflect your farmhouse style while remaining highly functional. Install open shelving made from reclaimed wood for storage, and use galvanized metal bins and baskets to organize tools and seasonal items. Add hooks made from wrought iron or aged metal for hanging garden tools and seasonal decorations. If you have windows, consider adding simple linen curtains for softness. The key is choosing organizational solutions that look intentional and beautiful while serving practical purposes. Your farmhouse patio becomes an extension of your indoor living during fall's beautiful weather. Range comfortable seating with weather-resistant cushions in warm, neutral tones. Add outdoor throw blankets for cooler evenings, and consider an outdoor rug and natural fibers to define the space. Create ambience with string lights or lanterns. Install a small outdoor table with potted mums or small pumpkins. Include a basket for storing outdoor throw blankets. This space becomes perfect for enjoying coffee on crisp fall mornings or evening conversations under the stars. As we wrap up this beautiful journey through your Joanna Gaines-inspired fall transformation, remember that the magic of farmhouse style lies in its authenticity and warmth. Every element we've discussed works together to create a home that feels both stylish and genuinely welcoming. The key is starting with pieces you love and building layers gradually, always prioritizing comfort alongside beauty. Don't forget to subscribe to the Daily House for more seasonal inspiration. Give this video a thumbs up if it sparked some ideas for your own home, and share in the comments which space you're most excited to transform this fall.